This emergency broadcast is transmitted at the request of His Majesty's government. Please make sure your device is audible and pay attention to what is on the screen. This morning, there has been suspicious activity spotted in the sky. We believe this is the activity of a flying object that has a human head. We are currently investigating this and do not know what these flying objects are or what the outcomes of them are, but they allegedly seem to be slowly multiplying. It has been spotted that strange muffled music are coming from the flying objects and has been confirmed that they are toilets. We do not know if these unknown species are a threat towards us or if they are peaceful, but all civilians are advised to stay indoors at the moment. We have some disturbing news. We believe that the toilets have hostile intentions. At the moment, there is over 400 toilets in the sky and ground, and they seem to be eating animals and even humans. We have also seen some friendly human-like people with cameras as their heads, and they seem to be normal and giant. It is unknown what they toilets will do to us next, but we advise people to close their windows, turn off electricity, and also close your blinds, so you are not seen. It has came to our attention that the aliens have hostile intentions. They are appearing to be firing millions of blasts the size of buildings. There is a really slim chance humanity can survive these what-known Skibidi toilets. And the fact that 75% of camera people destroyed, you are advised to say your final goodbyes to your loved ones and hold them dearly during your final moments.